Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive and Carrying Power Porsche specialist in European vehicle as well. We do a lot of BMWs and Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda. But go back to this car here, but we specialize in Porsches. Go back here to this car here. This is part 2 of the video that I done this morning. Go back here. If you know, you can. I've took the actual EGR cooler off. So now I'm going to show you the EGR cooler. This is the EGR cooler, sits on top. What I found is when I took it off, easily you just slide it off. 24 bolts holding it down. But see that part there? That little part there is broken inside as well. The O-ring holds it in. But I need a new one. Not a new one of those, but a new one of these. The little plastic pipe there, it's only a plastic part of the actual car. I've got to take it off and get a new one, put it in. A new one of those, just a little tiny little plastic pipe there. But the problem I've got is, you can see it now more clear because I've taken the EGR cooler off. You can see where the coolant leak's coming from. That's that black plastic pipe I was talking about, which is this one here. The part just arrived today. Somehow they told me it was yesterday, tomorrow's gonna come. But the part just arrived now. This afternoon, so I'm not sure if I can put it in today, but the actual leak sits like that. But the leak is coming from the corner here. Alright? There. It's a coolant leak. Because this is a coolant housing. This part here. So the leak's coming from the corner here. Probably it's cracked or not sure, the gasket's pinched or broken or whatever. See, if you look closely there, see? Can you see the actual? Just bear with me because it's really hard. There you go. See the coolant leak there? That's the coolant leak here. On this side here. And let me take that off. And that side here as well. The corner there as well is leaking. It's see that corner there? See it now? That's better. Much better. Okay. So they're both leaking on both sides, causing the coolant to go down into the valley right there. Alright, but the problem I've got is, let me get the new part and I'll show you. The problem is, it sits like this, alright, in the car. See that? See that part there? This part there is basically this part here. But you can't just take that part out and slide it in, because it's held in, that it's actually bolted to the actual housing, this housing here, which is the water pump housing. So I need to remove the water pump housing out to actually push that, put it in and slide it in that way, so the O-ring can go in, and then do up the water pump housing, and then do this one up from this side here, which is bolted from this side here. That's how it looks like. See those screws there, which just goes in here. Alright, I'll show you slowly, sorry. Sometimes a bit too quick. There's the screws there, held in by the T30 screws there and the housing there. This is the, that's the housing I was showing you before. That's the water pump housing, which is the water pump at the front there. Alright, bit tricky to do it, but the only way to do it is to do this, take this front bit off. But what I'll do is I'll take the screws off first today and see if I can slide it out. But if I can't slide it out, then there's only one way to do it properly. It's just take the water pump housing off to do it properly. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.